Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing okay. I hope everyone will have a good Independence Day if you're in the United States. So we'll have some exciting news for you. Well, at least for me. So State Street Global Advisors, they're like a ETF OG. In fact, like they are the creator of the SPY, the king of like S&P 500 ETFs. Now they're here with a covered call ETF, so I'm really excited to see like what they can potentially do. So this is actually good because I think this will help fan the flames of like the high yield war. So it's good to see that not only is BlackRock and Fidelity in the covered call space, but now that SSGA is in here, oh man, it's gonna get good. But of course, like the usual disclaimer, this is not SEC approved. So they're filing for like a U.S. equity premium income ETF, so there's no ticker symbol yet. And of course like the expense ratio is not available as well. But if we're going by like their other ETFs like the S&P, like just like the OG, the granddaddy SPY, and their and the like the XL type of ETFs, like the sector selects. I think this is really good news because we'll have like kind of like the best of both worlds. You have like decent liquidity, and then also potentially a very low expense ratio. So this is, well, I guess like just for like the for strategy purposes, they want to maintain like cover calls on sorry about the background noise. Companies that have like a market cap of like 2 billion or more. They want like low valuation in relation to their peers, appropriate capital structures, including appropriate levels of debt. So this is actually very interesting, like a way to screen out like kind of like bum companies. Of course, they want a high quality management that wants to generate shareholder value, so that's good. Now, in terms of covered calls, they say like they're gonna keep them like less than a year expiration cycles, but it looks like they're trying to maintain like a 1 month expiration, but they also want to kind of stagger it out weekly as well. So there's it's kind of like a similar to like Neos is doing, like they kind of ladder out like their expiration cycles. So I think this will be really interesting to see. I guess like when this finally comes out. In terms of management, they have Emiliano Rabinovich and Juan Acevedo. So like this first person is CFA charter holder, so that's good. It's good to see this person also has like at least 18 years of experience, and then Juan has 24 years of experience. So I think this fund should be in potentially good hands. And of course, like our favorite part, like the distributions, should be well, according to this, it's going to be paid out monthly, so that's always a good thing. So I think just to kind of sum everything up, I think this is really good news. I guess once you have like all the big guys in place, and this will be good in terms of like kind of driving, some of like the expense ratios lower. So, well, this is really good for like the big guys, and then it might be bad news for almost everybody else. I think Neos and like ProShares, they keep their expense risk kind of uh, more reasonable. So I think like Defiance, Yield Max, Roundhill, I think they could probably like I don't want to say anything bad, but I think like they could probably stand to kind of maybe trim the expense ratios, especially for like maybe ones that are like underperforming. Because now that there's more other providers with cover call ETFs, and especially if they outperform on like total return metrics, and even like potentially on yield metrics. Hopefully the smaller guys will kind of make some like the appropriate adjustments. And then also the interesting thing is like since most of the SPY related cover call tickers, I think for example SPY I and I SPY and etc. I think most of the good ticker symbols have been taken. So I'm kind of wondering what they'll do for this one. Maybe SPY C. I don't think that's available, but I don't think anyone else has taken that yet. So maybe that could be a good one. But or maybe SPY D for distribution. So it depends on like what they want to do here. So anyway, I think this is generally good news. So if you like this type of content, please consider giving this a like and a subscribe if you can. Thank you very much for watching. I hope people have a good holiday, and then also, I guess like you might as well try to ease up on like this week as well. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye now.